take a look at this problem. Joe made an investment of $5,500 at an annual simple interest rate of 6.1%. How much additional money must he invest at an annual simple interest rate of 11% in order for the total annual interest earned to be 7% of the investment? Okay, so we got one account plus another account is going to give us, normally we're like given the total earnings, but this one we're not. We're actually given this setup. So we're going to have our dollars and our percent. We'll have our dollars and our percent, and over here we'll have our dollars and our percent. So this is going to be 6.1%, this first one. The next one's 11%. And then what I end up with is 7% of the investment. We'll get back to that. First off, all these percents, 6.1 would be 0.061, 11% would be 0.11, and 7% would be 0.07. Joe made an investment of $5,500 at 6.1%, so they're telling us this is $5,500. How much additional money must he invest at 11%? So this will be X. We're wondering how much money needs to be invested at 11% in order for the total annual interest to be 7% of the investment. Well, now we need dollars here. If this is $5,500 and this is X, if I add this dollars plus this dollars, that's going to give me my total. So I'm going to have $5,500 plus X. Okay, so then I'll multiply these together. 5,500 times 0.061 times 0.0661, and that gives us 335.5 plus X times 0.11 is 0.11X. And over here we use the distributive property. So take 5,500 times 0.07. And that gives us 385. Then I'll take X times 0.07, which gives us 0.07X. Now we're solving for X, so I want to get everything with X on one side and numbers in the other. So I'll take this 0.07X to the left side and this 335.5 to the right side. Remember, when you take anything across your equals, your sign changes. So the 0.07 becomes a negative 0.07X. The 335.5 becomes a negative 335.5. Now combine like terms. 0.11 minus 0.07 gives us 0.04X. And 385 minus 335.5 gives us, I think, 49.5, but let me see. I'm not very good at decimals. 335.5, 49.5. Now we're trying to get X by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by a number in front of our X. So we'll divide both sides by 0.04. When we do that, these 0.04 is going to cancel. And we get 49.5 divided by 0.04. And that gives us 1,237.5. And that would be our answer.